Father's Day. So, magsa-celebrate kami ng Father's Day. And all done na yung errands namin. So, luluwas na kami. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan. Saan ba lang?
Nubali.
Anong Bali? Totoo na yon. Kasi baka mamaya nasa Lipa.
Alabang.
Nasa Alabang pala. So, let's celebrate. Happy Father's Day! I love you!
Love you.
Sorry. Napulaan. Hi! Can you say hi to the vlog? Tulog na si Cowgirl.
Hi.
Hi! We are now here at Soledad Tree.
About to watch Toy Story 5.
Yes. Hala, parang hindi nag-aaway. Don't away. Bought the ticket. Wow! Yes, we will buy. Kabili na kaming ticket. And then we're gonna watch.
Aray mo pa.
That's why super love namin guys talaga dito sa Nuvali kasi may open space siya na park. Super enjoy ang kids. Oo. Nasaan tayo? Ramen.
Negi. Like.
It's time for ramen. Favorite part of the day?
Going to watch Toy Story 5.
Paano? Nagi. Ramen nagi.
One of the
Top 2.
I like Toy Story.
Weird. Where's your food? Can you show it to the camera? Can you point it there? Where's the food of Wally? Over there. The blue. Are you excited to eat? Yes. Hindi pala sa kanya. What? You have to wait. They're still cooking it.
Nakalikan
It's
niya.
not yours. Wait for your turn, okay? Okay?
Papahingo kayo.
Can you show your ramen?
No vegetables, no nothing. It's just pork and something.
I-edit mo mga.
First try.
What?
Taste the soup. How does it taste?
It's like water.
Water? Ito si Camila. No smoking. Can you rate it?
5. And I haven't tried the noodles. 5 out of 10. I'm not trying the noodles eh.
Mamaya i-level yung pagkakit namin yung noodle.
Wow.
Ano yan?
Ano ulit tawag?
Tubol. King ramen.
Nakakainis tong kasama. This one's yours. Yummy? Is it good? Yeah.
Yung ramen na lang.
Wow. So nice.
agad. Food pa lang. Oh my God, guys.
Kaya ayoko din umalis. 1 CB na agad.
Did you hear that?
Isang kain pa lamang. Pucha.
Pero sa sasakyan,
Ay, nakamustang naman.
Nakamustang
Wala namang
tayo.
pera.
Mustang pero walang pera.
Pabalik na kami guys ng mall.
SM mo na
There.
po.
Sa cinema. Tapos na kami kumain. Hindi na namin na-vlog kasi sobrang gutom.
Si Blight yung
Pero di
salarin.
naubos.
Saan ka tayo?
Turo mo kasi na yung salarin. Sa namin na.
Ayun. Halata naman sa size.
Ay, madami kayo nakain yan. Flight, busog ka ka.
Busog na busog. Baka naman malaglag na yung bata. May bata ha.
Nakahawak na nga.
Yo.
Flight, baka makaano ko ng paa.
Kasi siya. Buti na mo. Ay. What's that? Super na-enjoy na talaga guys. Ali!
So ganda! Buzz and sino yan? Si Jessica na married.
Ikaw. Ali! Nagustuhan mo dahil?
Maganda siya. Akala ko magkakagulo.
Ay?
Hindi pala. Yan na.
Look, baby. Not yet done. The movie's not yet done. Look. After the movie, magka-play muna kami. What do you want to get here? What's that? Should be the bear. Not that. That one only. Let's play. What game do you like to play? Pupunta naman kami sa H&M and then Paseo. Tarang!